In the name of God, who is most merciful and passionate. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. My name is Dr. Nayyar Iqbal. Students, you watching Math Home YouTube channel. And students, you know, we started in previous lecture additional mathematics and a topic of your syllabus, factors of polynomial. And under this unit, in previous lecture, we define what is a polynomial function and we studied about its key points. So students, in this lecture we shall study addition of two or more than two polynomials. So students, what is the criteria? How we can add any two polynomials? Students, method is very simple. That we shall add similar terms of these two polynomials. Similar terms means we shall add like terms. Like terms mean same degree terms. So students, there are two cases. If we have two terms with opposite signs, then how we shall add these two terms? And case 2, when both terms have same sign, mean when both polynomials, when both terms have same sign, then how we can add? So we start from case 1. So students, you know, actually when we add two polynomials or two similar degree terms, actually we add their coefficients. And you know, the coefficients of the terms in a polynomial are real numbers. It means we must know how to add any two real numbers. So students, in case 1, when both real numbers have different, mean opposite signs, you see on slide that, for example, if we have a -7 first and second is +5, how we shall add? If we add these two terms, then actually because the signs of these two numbers are different, opposite, therefore we shall subtract their absolute values. For example, we shall subtract here 5 from 7. 5 is absolute value of +5, you can say, and 7 is absolute value of -7. So in answer here, when we add these two terms, we shall get 2 and write the sign with 2, the largest absolute value term, that is -7. Therefore in answer we shall write minus, therefore answer is -2. But if we have +7 and -5, then answer will be +2. 2 because of subtraction. So when we have different signs of any two terms, we actually subtract here smaller absolute value from the largest absolute value. So this is the way of addition of two real numbers. And in next slide, in this slide you see, if we have similarly we can add any two linear terms, mean -7x plus 5x, how we can add? You see -2x. Similarly, if we have +7x and -5x, then we have +2x in answer. Similarly, if we have a quadratic polynomial, means two terms are second degree terms, then students, again we have +2x square and -2x square in answer. If we have a cubic degree terms, again we have +2x cube and -2x cube. From this discussion, please students, one point must be noted, that when we add any two polynomials or any two terms of similar degree of like terms, actually we add their coefficients. Now we discuss case 2. In case 2, when both terms have same sign, similar signs, it means, no, if we have both terms, for example -7 and -2, then answer is -9. Actually when two terms have same sign, we add their absolute values, so we have -12. If we have +5 and +7, then again we have answer +12. We shall write the sign of the answer which we have these two terms. So in this way, students, you see, if we add any two linear terms which have the same sign, for example minus 7x and minus 5x, we have minus 12x. In this similar way, if we have plus 7x and plus 5x, we have plus 12x. So if we add second degree terms, quadratic polynomials, then again you see we have minus 12x square and plus 12x square. Similarly, we can add cubic terms. So students, this is the pattern, this is the way how we can add any two polynomials or two or more than two polynomials. So students, now we we solve an example here where we are given two polynomials px and qx and we add them. So students, see how we solve this problem. It's okay students, this is our lecture number 2. Question is given, if px is 3x4 plus 2x square minus 1 and similarly there is a polynomial qx, find an expression for a part is this polynomial px plus polynomial qx and then 3 times of polynomial px plus qx. We have to find the expression for these two polynomials. So solution, okay, we write here as given we have, this is our polynomial px. Remember, the degree of this polynomial is 4 plus 2x square minus 1 and qx is equal to 2x cube plus x square plus 1 and the degree of this polynomial qx is 3. Now we want to add these two polynomials in a part. Here is px plus qx, which means 3x4 2x square minus 1 plus 2x cube plus x square plus 1. Now students, we have to collect like terms. Like terms mean same degree terms. As you see, there is a 3x4 and there is no any other term like term, this one 3x4 x4 mean a term of degree 4 is only this one, not here. So this is 3x4. Now see students, there is a third degree term, that is 2x cube. This is only one term, so we write it as same as it is in answer. And there are two terms, 2x square and x square. These two are like terms. We say these two are like terms and we collect these two terms. So I write here this one, we collect these two terms, that is plus 2x square plus x square. And students, there are two constant terms, this is minus 1 and this is plus 1. When we add these two terms, we get answer, this is 0. So students, now we add these two like terms in such a way that 3x4 plus this is 2x cube, and students see here, in these two terms x square is common, so plus, if we take this x square common, then there is a coefficient plus 2 and there is a coefficient plus 1, we have x square. So in next steps we have 3x4 plus 2x cube, and this is again I write with red ink, that is plus 3x square. And students, this is our answer. Now we come to our second part, that is B part. So see students, No, we solve here b part. This is 3px plus qx, which means 3 is multiplied by this polynomial px, and this polynomial we have 3x4 plus 2x square minus 1 plus and qx is, this is 2x cube plus x square plus 1. First of all, we multiply this 3 by each and every term of this polynomial 3x4 plus 2x square and minus 1. So we have, if we multiply this 3 will be multiplied, students, by the coefficients of each term. So we have 3 by 3 x4 plus 3 by 2 x square minus 1 multiply by 3 plus 2x cube plus x square and plus 1. So students, see here, there is 9x4 plus 6x square minus 3 and plus 2x cube plus x square and plus 1. So students, see here, this is 9x4 and this is only one term of degree 4. There is no other term. So this will be written as it is here in the answer, and again here this is a cubic term and there is no other cubic term. So plus 2x cube. Now we have, students, see here, there are two terms, similar terms, like terms, mean second degree term. This is x square and these two terms. So we combine these two terms, we collect these two terms, mean 6x square plus x square. And students, you know, there is a real minus 3 constant and there is a plus 1. When we add minus 3 and plus 1, you know, we get minus 2. Again here, this is this is, we can write here as it is here, 9x4 plus 2x cube, and from here, you know, x square is common, we can take common, so this is x square. Actually we are adding the coefficients of x square minus this is 2. So we have 9x square plus 2x cube, and you know, students, here we get plus 7x square, mean plus 7x square, and so this is our final answer. So students, inshallah, in next lecture we shall study and discuss how we can subtract 2 or more than 2 polynomials.